Did you know that certain foods can help lower your blood sugar levels? This isn't just crucial information for those managing diabetes, but it's also valuable for anyone aiming to lead a healthier lifestyle. You see, maintaining balanced blood sugar levels can play a vital role in overall health and well-being. Certain foods, blessed with nature's magic, can aid in keeping these levels in check, promoting better health. So, intrigued to know more? In this video, we will discuss 7 foods that are known to help lower blood sugar levels. Starting off our list, we have the humble whole grains. Whole grains are a powerhouse of nutrients, but their real magic lies in their high fiber content. This fiber aids in controlling blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and preventing sudden spikes. Next up, we have leafy greens. These verdant veggies are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar levels. Consuming leafy greens can help your body maintain a steady blood sugar level and ward off the risk of diabetes. And finally, let's talk about avocados. These creamy fruits are a great source of monounsaturated fats. These fats can slow digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. Incorporating avocados into your diet can help keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. These 3 foods are not only delicious, but they also provide a host of health benefits, including helping to regulate your blood sugar levels. Continuing with our list, we have the 4th and 5th foods, berries and nuts. Let's start with berries. These delightful fruits are more than just a sweet treat. They are packed full of antioxidants and fiber. Antioxidants are heroes in your body, protecting your cells from harm. Fiber, on the other hand, plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar levels, as it slows down the rate at which sugar is absorbed into your bloodstream. Now, let's talk about nuts. These crunchy little powerhouses are rich in fiber and healthy fats. They can help keep your blood sugar levels stable by slowing down the digestion process. This means that the sugar from your meals enters your bloodstream at a slower pace, preventing any sudden spikes in your blood sugar levels. Adding these 2 foods to your diet can not only improve your overall health, but can also help in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Wrapping up our list, we have the final 2 foods, fatty fish and Greek yogurt. Let's dive into the benefits of these. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are a treasure trove of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, particularly EPA and DHA, are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. But did you know they also play a crucial role in blood sugar regulation? Yes, indeed. Regular consumption of fatty fish can help balance your blood sugar levels and promote overall health. Next up, we have Greek yogurt. This creamy, tangy delight is not only delicious, but also a powerful ally in controlling blood sugar. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, and we all know that protein is a key player when it comes to slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. With its low carbohydrate content, Greek yogurt can keep your blood sugar levels in check, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. Remember, incorporating these 7 foods into your diet can help to lower your blood sugar levels. But it's not just about the food. Balance is key. A balanced diet coupled with regular exercise is vital for your health. It's not just about avoiding diabetes, it's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.